So we put them once after receiving at the age of 6 months. We put them in the obedience training and afterwards some specialized training. So that we can see there how they can adapt to the army. Since being the Indian breeds, so they are very easily available and well adapted to our conditions.
But now they have discovered that when it comes to the circuit, from hurdles to ropes, from bridges to scaling walls, and even chasing a motorcycle, the Mudhol hounds far outpace the German shepherds. This speed, when matched with their outstanding stamina, make them highly competent guard dogs for the armed forces. Once the training is complete, the Mudhol hounds, outfitted with doggy coats and boots, will make their way to the Himalayas. Here, these brave warriors will help patrol the high mountains and our borders. Once the companions of royalty, they are today royalty in their own right. The first Indian breed to serve in the Indian Armed Forces, the mighty and magnificent Mudhol hound.